It's Lishi tutorial of TOY 2014 for Toyota Corolla. First of all, look for every whiff of position of the lock. Touch the lifter by your finger. If it's elastic, it means here is wafer position. The third and fourth position, there are not wafers. The fifth and sixth position are elastic. On the seventh and eighth position, there are no wafers. We already found all positions in the lock cylinder. And now we have to pick the lock and then decode the key beatings. From the first position, if you feel elastic, go to another position. It's also elastic. Touch the fifth position. You feel something blocked. Click the fifth position. Same way, if you feel elastic, go to another one. Elastic, another one. Elastic, another one. It's blocked. Click. The eighth position is blocked. Click this one. If you still feel blocked, click one more time. Try again on the whole positions. Elastic, go another one. Elastic, elastic, elastic. Also elastic, elastic. Not elastic, click. Elastic. One more time till picking the lock. Click. Elastic, elastic. Blocked, click. We finally picked the lock. The second step, we have to get the key beatings from the lock. The first position is 3. The second, 2. The fifth is 3. The sixth is 4. The third is 2. Fourth is 3. The seventh is 3. The eighth is 2. Key beating is 3, double 2, double 3, 4, 3, 2. We'll cut this key by jump to tank CNC key cutting machine. Click the menu key database. Enter vehicle data. We'll search Corolla on searching area. Select Toyota Corolla. TOY 2014. Depending on get picture, we'll install Corolla blank. If ready, click continue. And then we imported the key beatings that decoded by Lishi. And click cut. We finished cutting one side and install the other side. Finished cutting both sides. Let's try this key.